Hi guys, today I am going to show you a special thing. The thing is, I solved the 3x3 Rubik's cube in one hand. Let's see. This is the cube. First I will shuffle it. Okay, I will start now. Keep doing. Okay, I done it. Then now I solve this cube normally. First I will shuffle it. Okay, here we go. I done it. If you like to learn how to solve this cube in one hand, put it as a comment below. Then I will upload a video for it. Tell me your comments and suggestions. It will be a great help me for the future. Don't forget to subscribe. If you think this video is important and great, you can share it with your friends. See you soon from the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.